Welcome to this video on Credo Reference. Credo is a library database that can help provide background information to start your research. Credo has over 1,000 dictionaries, encyclopedias, reference books, and videos to help explain a topic. You can use Credo to research a potential paper or project topic, see how topics are related, and find the definition of a word. To find Credo, go to the RTC Library homepage, then click on Online Databases. Click on Credo Reference. Then log into the RTC databases using your RTC student email username and password. From the main search page, either enter a search term into the search box or choose a popular search from the categories listed on the page. Notice that the drop-down menu offers suggestions on the different aspects of the topic. You may click on the Enter button on your keyboard or click on the magnifying glass to start the search. The results page shows a list of articles from dictionaries, encyclopedias, and reference books. You can also view a list of videos or images that are available. As you look through the list of articles, notice the title of the publication and the list of key concepts. This information can help you decide at a glance if this article writes about the topic in a way that is useful for your project or paper. You can also adjust your search for the type of article for which you are looking. If the search results aren't quite right, there are several ways that you can adjust the search. Choose between limits like type of book, subject area, content included, dates, and length of article. You can also look at the topic web and use it to search too. By clicking on a related word on the web, you can change the search results. Once you select an article, you'll see the full text of the article. If you decide the article works for your project, you can print or email the project to yourself by using the Share feature. Email to yourself or someone else. Select the options that make sense for your project, including the full text, the citation, and then name and email information. Another option is print to PDF or save to file, which saves a copy on your computer. If you use Noodle Tools, consider using the Export to Noodle Tools option for saving your citation. Citations are also available on the article page. Scroll to the bottom and select the citation style, then highlight and copy the citation. Paste the citation into a Word, Google Doc, or other word processing document. Credo has some unique features from other library databases. First, Credo supports having the article read aloud to you. Use Read Aloud to activate this feature, and use the gear to adjust the settings. Second, some articles are translated into languages other than English. Many languages are included, but not every language is supported for every article. Thanks for watching this video on Credo Reference. If you have questions, you may contact us by phone, text, email, or chat. Visit the library's webpage at rtc.edu/library for these options.